Jason. This is my week 3 video review of my project. So I'm gonna go over my code real quick just to show you what I've done. Actually, let's go to the simulator and we'll just see what was going on with that. So this is my date planner. All the events go here. We click on add an event. This is where we would type in the event name. What I did is I also added if they hit return, the keyboard would close, or this would work too. And then the minimum date is of course defaulted to today. And then you hit save. And so then there you can see is the event name that the event that I just added. If I add an event and don't include an event name, it's required because you can't just put up a date and a time. So I kind of added an alert view to this just so that an event name is required. So we'll type that in. And just to show that, it does append to whatever is there. And you can also see that my default text was deleted upon saving of the first date. And so what I did with that is I just did just a short counter to do that. If my counter is 0, go ahead and reset that display text, the default text that says all the events go here. And then we'll go ahead and append the event that they are saving to. If this is the second or more, well, then just go ahead and keep appending it, and the counter will just add up. So that was my just little quick fix for having a default text in there that would disappear. Here is my add view controller with my minimum date, and then my alert view. That if the event name, my event name field is empty, then go ahead and throw up my alert. If it's not empty, and this is on the save events after they click the save button, if it's not empty, then let's go ahead and grab the date, format the date, and then also add that to the text, the event name text, stuff it into a string called my event, and pass that on to my onSave function, which is over here in my view controller. Right here, it's my onSave. So, and then go ahead and close out that view. And so I have a close keyboard, and then also if text field should return, so if they hit enter after typing in the event name, then it'll just close off the keyboard. So I did that both ways just to make it more user-friendly, because there are people who would actually just hit enter, and then there's people who would rather like to have the close keyboard button. So that's just a quick overview of my text. As far as what I think I could have done better, well, I'm sure there's a first use function that I could have done instead of the counter, so that'll take care of, well, this is the first time it's being run, then go ahead and delete the default text. So if I had more time just to really look into that, I probably will look into that and just save that for future projects. But other than that, I think I more or less want to add more functionality, so I know that's not required for this project, but that's really what I would like to do is, edit and delete and just make it a regular application. So, well, that's all I have for today. Thanks.